day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install a dummy doorknob on a pre-bored door. Now a lot of times you buy these doors that are already pre-bored, but you just want a dummy knob on there, and I'm going to show you how to do that. For this job I'm going to be using a battery powered drill with a Phillips tip bit. I'm also going to have a small drill bit. You want to make sure that it's a little bit smaller than the threads on your screws. Also be using a dummy doorknob and a hole cover plate. The hole cover plate consists of two pieces of metal with a threaded shaft in between, so you can put it between the door and attach it with a screw. So we're going to take this and install it over our hole. Take one side, place it over top of the hole, and then we'll go ahead and put our screw in. After you get the screw started, go ahead and tighten it up using your drill. Next, we're going to be using an 1/8 inch drill bit, which is a little bit smaller than the threads on our screws. We're going to go ahead and switch out our Phillips tip bit with this 1/8 inch bit. Now we're going to take our doorknob, place it over our cover plate, and go ahead and put a couple holes in there so that way we can put our screws into that cover plate. You can go ahead and just mark them if you want to, or you can go ahead and drill them out. So in this case, we're just going to mark it on each side. And then we're going to go ahead and drill out our holes. After that's done, we're going to put our Phillips tip bit back into our drill, take our doorknob, put it into place, and go ahead and attach it with our screws. Now this is a very easy and cheap fix, especially when all you need is a dummy knob. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.